These three new YouTube features made my video to get 20,000 views, and it is still counting. The impressive part is the watch hours which I got from that single video. Now in this video, I'm going to be explaining and showing you the three features which I use to make my video to rank first, to make YouTube actually recommend my video, so that you can actually replicate this kind of strategy on your videos. And this will also help your videos to rank higher. This sounds like what you want for your channel. Do well to hit the subscribe button. Watch this video to the very end. So guys, I'll be taking you to my YouTube studio, show you the analytics and everything you need to see. So here is the particular video I'm talking about. I'm going to click on the analytics. Currently it is 21,000. I don't even know where they got to 21,000, but it is actually 21,000 views, and it is still counting. I'm going to take you to my initial content, the content I was actually making before I made this particular video, because this video was what actually blew up my channel. Now you can see I started posting on this channel 4 months ago, and the views I got was 24 views, and you can see that none of my views is above 100 views, ranking from 66, 24. My views were literally very low. But coming to this particular one, you can see I have 100 views, now 21k views. Now you can see the difference. Now I'm going to be showing you exactly why this video actually went up, why it ranked so high, and why YouTube kept recommending this video, because till now I am still getting more views and watch hours on this single video. Now I'm going to click on it to show you the analytics. Now here is the overview. This video has gotten 21,369 views since it was published. This is very, very beautiful. This was the video that made my channel to get that visibility, and how I was able to acquire more subscribers and more engagement on my channel. So, and I did just three things. The first feature which I used was to use the A and B testing. Now I know most of us have not started using that feature, but I will tell you that this is very, very good feature. It is a very, very good feature, especially for small creators. Now what this feature does is that it helps to test your thumbnail or your titles on plenty or many audience here on YouTube, not just your subscribers. This is the good part of it, because when I uploaded this video, I was less than, I think, yeah, I was at 1,000 subscribers, and that was the main topic of this video, how I got 1,000 subscribers in 2 days. So I was actually at 1,000 subscribers, and I used the A and B testing feature. Now what this did was that I uploaded 2 thumbnails, I uploaded 2 different titles. So what this did was that YouTube actually tested this thumbnail and this title on different audience, not just my subscribers. So if you use this A and B testing tool, it is actually not going to test it only on your subscribers, but it will test it to other people, because YouTube wants to see which of the thumbnail or which of the title does better. Now this will also help you to get more visibility. People will get to see your video, people will get to see your channel. So this was the first feature which I used for my channel. One feature which I used was the collaboration feature. Yes, after I made this video, I actually went to talk to some of the creators that I know that we are in the same niche, and I know their channels are doing very, very well. So I actually spoke to them and I sent my collaboration link to them. Now this collaboration feature actually works so well, because people get to see your videos on their own channel. Their audience get to see your video on their channel, which means that your video is going to go wild, like your videos is going to reach a wider audience. So before you collaborate, make sure that the channel which you are collaborating with has a very, very high subscribers, and they get engagement on the channel. This will also help your channel to rank higher and get that visibility. Yes, so this is very, very, you can actually try this feature too, but make sure that before you collaborate, you have spoken to the creator. Channel you want to collaborate with has a very, very high subscribers, and they get very, very high engagement on that channel. Now this will help your video so well, because their audience is going to engage on your video. Heading to the third feature, which is my secret formula. Now I actually dropped I'm not going to be explaining much about it in this video, because I already made a full video about it, which is how I get views on my videos. This is the link. I'll be dropping it on this video, or probably in the description of this video. Go and watch it. That feature really, really helped me. That was how I was able to get more views and also rank higher. And these actually made YouTube to recommend my videos. Now I'm going to be showing you the watch hours which I got from a 21,300 views. Let me show you the watch hours I got. So this video actually gave me 1,622 watch hours, and it is still counting because people are still watching this video. This is very, very nice. Now let me give you one last bonus tip. If you want YouTube to actually recommend your video, make sure that you engage on other creators' video. You cannot just be posting video on your channel and expect YouTube to recommend your videos when you don't watch other people's video. Now let me show you an example of what I'm saying. This video, let me click on the reach so that you're going to see how people were able to find this video. Now look at external sites or apps. People watch this particular video from WhatsApp, and I did not for once, put my link on my WhatsApp. No, I've never done that. But people were still able to find this video even from WhatsApp. I really don't know how YouTube did that. Now for the YouTube search terms, you can see how to get 1,000 subscribers and the likes. Now this is the main thing I'm talking about, content suggesting this video. And the content that are actually suggesting this video are the videos I have watched. I have watched each and every one of these videos here. So when I tell you to engage on other people's video, I know what I'm saying. So the more I watch people's video, the more YouTube will, put my video alongside their own video. So try to engage in other people's video, at least watch 50 to 60% of their video. With this, YouTube will actually, merge your own videos with their own videos. So you can see we have Princess Amaka, Jazzy, and Edeneka, so many of them. Like, I literally follow and I subscribe to their channel. So whenever they drop a new video, I always watch their videos, so that you always engage in other people's video. And the last but not the least bonus tip is that before you make your video, make sure that your title is something that is very, very catchy. Now, the reason why this video is still getting views is because the topic which I made on how to get 1,000 subscribers, it is an evergreen topic. Every day we keep having new creators here on YouTube that are looking for fast way to get their 1,000 subscribers. So whenever you're making a video, make sure that your topic is something that people can still watch after years and after years. Keep getting views with this, you're going to keep getting watch hours, and definitely you're going to make more money on that kind of video. So if you find this video very helpful, do well to like this video, do well to subscribe, and lastly, don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section. And yeah, Merry Christmas in advance and a Happy New Year in advance. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.